Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Friday and I hope you're all ready for the weekend. Well, today we are going to be starting the red-crowned cranes with all the flowers that I got from AliExpress. And the color that I am using is 3816 and it's kind of a muted turquoise, if you will, or a mossy green. Your guess is as good as mine, but it's kind of a bluish green color. The thing's sticking to my hands again. Oh my goodness, it's Friday already. Holy cow. Yeah, gotta go and run and do laundry today. I don't think I have to go to the grocery store. Not that I can think of. I did that yesterday. I got the stuff to make some, I couldn't decide. I was going to make either kung pao chicken or pork fried rice. So I got the fried rice and stuff, and I got the stuff to make the kung pao part of it. So we'll see. And last night, when I got the pork steak, there was 3 in a packet, so I just fried one up and had fried pork and just plain fried pork and broccoli for dinner. Yeah, I wasn't in the mood to cut up vegetables or anything really too difficult. I stitched on the houses and mountains that I got earlier this week, yesterday. So, yay! So I have no idea what I'll be stitching on today after I make a video. So yeah, it was kind of quiet. I did get time to sit in my rocking chair. I had the mountains and houses and kind of strung it over the arms of the rocking chair and just sat there and stitched in one area for a bit. And then I stitched like on it off and on all day. So just a little of this and a little of that. But I don't think, other than going to do the laundry or taking out the trash, you know, exciting stuff today. So, yay. It was a little busy at the grocery store, but the day was just absolutely lovely. It was, close to 50. And I need to pull you in. I am so sorry. Whoop, I went the wrong way. My bad. Whoa. That way you can see what's going on here. Nicely printed. Nice thinnish type material. I wouldn't say it was super thin, but very crunchable and easy to hold in your hand. So, yep. Other than that, just kind of a quiet day yesterday. Did get a 2-hour nap. Just needed to lay down. I didn't sleep at all. Well, it didn't feel like, you know, that kind of half sleep you have. I don't know. I think it's the weather. But who knows? It's supposed to be nice, I guess, for the rest of the week, you know, but they'll change that 2 or 3 times before we ever get to that point. So we'll just kind of not hold our breath. but I think it's supposed to be in the 50s. But it gets knocked down a peg because if there's wind involved, then it's a little bit cooler, but who knows? We will see. Whoops. Well, just do it backwards. But yeah, it was real easy stitching on that houses and mountains. I really like that pattern. And things seem to run in rivers. So I just pick a thread color and do that until I finish that thread and go on. But very nice, very easy. So I'm kind of glad I got that one. Not kind of, I'm really glad. It stitches almost as good as Riverside Building Night Moon. That's the best canvas I've had in ages. It's nice and supple and easy to hold. Some of them you just gotta kind of work down through. Whoop. But that'll happen. And some are so stiff that you can't hardly hang on to the darn thing for it wanting to spread back, or, you know, spring back into place. So, not real fond of those. Kind of difficult. Whoop. Come on. Why? Why? Oh, you're killing me, Smalls. Give me a second. Alright, I am back. I got it tied off and done. Yeah, we're done. Moving on. We have a new thread. Do have me a cup of tea because it's still cold in the morning. You know, till about noon maybe. So, fun times. Fun times. I wanted to stitch some more on that, the one I got yesterday. I think I called it Wonderland. And put some more threads into it. It's 14 count. I've been stitching a lot here on 11 count lately, so it goes like that. You know, we'll go 14 count for the longest time, and then we'll go back to 11 count. And it's just kind of a vicious little, well, it's not vicious. It's just kind of a cycle that happens. Sometimes I feel like working on 14, and sometimes I feel like working on 11 count. Sometimes we just got to push the easy button. And if I get really sick of both of those, I can always go to something in 9 count. But yeah, that hasn't happened for a moment. I don't know, I don't like the 9 count as well as I do 11 and 14. Whoops, I went over 2. My bad. Talking and stitching. See if I can get that out of there. Oh, yay. I just missed one whole stitch. Just went over 2. So yeah, that's why I don't do much stitching on it. I just like to see what the canvas looks like. You know. That kind of thing. I don't know. Just to kind of compare when I do stitch it. And by no means is it difficult. I have no idea why I just prefer 11 and 14. What can I say? Which one do you prefer? 11, 14, or 9 count? Or do you do all 3? Oops. Tomorrow we have March Saturday stitching, so not real sure what I'm going to be working on there. So we'll just have to wait and see, both of us. But it will be something in green. What is everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something you love and something that's good for you to work on, no matter what the craft. Because not everybody likes cross-stitching or diamond painting or any of it, you know. Everybody does their own thing, which is a good thing. Whatever makes you happy. Kind of got to sort out this front room a bit. It's getting to be a bit much around here. Kind of shift some things here and there. And look at that one. We'll go this way. Trying to keep that tail out of there again. It's really a pretty color. Once it's I'll show it to you up close. This reminds me of a Mona Lisa kit, the way the symbols are here, so I'm kind of leaning towards that being what this is. There's no extra number or letter on that jelly. And I don't have that, what do you call it? I guess it would be that Google Translate, where you can take a picture of it. So, we'll just have to wait and see. I don't think this had any weird symbols in it. And you can put as much back stitching into it as you want. So that's a good thing. Get that out of there. And I am working on it upside down, if I didn't say that. Let me get that out of our freeway. Isn't that pretty? It's got a great big palace behind it and one of the red crown cranes. And I have no idea what store I got that from, but yeah, I do like it. I think I've actually got two of them because I couldn't find that one. You turn that right side up. But yeah, real pretty color. Now that background, it's going to be another shade of that same bluish green. I don't have it right here, but yeah, I think it'll be pretty. Let me pull you out. My goodness. Oh. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.